know a lot about syllables now. Let's try an experiment today to see if we can figure out how many syllables a word has before we even know what the word is. I'm going to write a word on the smartboard that I don't think you will know. I want you to count the vowel sounds and see if you can make an educated guess or hypothesis about how many syllables are in the word. What do you think an educated guess or a hypothesis is?
Your best guess.
Good. An educated guess or hypothesis is a guess based on facts that we already know. Since we know each syllable must contain at least one vowel sound, we can use that fact to make an educated guess. When you think you know how many syllables are in this first word, hold up that many fingers. Let's see if you are right. The word is orchestra. Clap and say it with me.
Orchestra.
How many syllables are there?
3.
Were you right?
Yes.
The word orchestra means a group of musicians. Have you ever heard an orchestra?
Yes.
Good. Let's try another word. How many syllables are in this word? Hold up your fingers to show how many. The word is aluminum. Clap and say the word with me.
Aluminum.
How many syllables are there?
4.
Were you right?
Yes.
Do you think you know what aluminum is?
It's like a pop can.
Good. Aluminum is a silvery white metal that bends rather easily. There are lots of metals on the earth, but there is more aluminum than any other metal. Now I would like for you to echo these words and listen to the sound in the medial position. What is medial?
Middle.
The middle, good. First.
First.
Dirt.
Dirt.
Skirt.
Skirt.
What sound do you hear in all of these words? Let's look at these words and see what is making the sound. What is making the sound?
IR.
Whenever a vowel is followed by the letter R, the R is called a bossy R because it changes the sound of the vowel. Do you remember that in combination ER, the R changed the sound of the vowel E?
I guess.
Well, the same thing is happening here. The bossy R is changing the sound vowel I normally makes. Does anyone know what IR is called?
Digraph.
Well, it's not a digraph.
Diagram.
No, it's a combination. Remember, a combination is two letters that come together to make an unexpected sound. How do we code combinations?
I don't remember.
With arcs. So let's see if we can do that. I'm going to put an arc under IR. Is there anything else we need to do to code these words?
Do you code them with a breve still? The vowel with after a consonant with the consonant after?
Nope, because the arc shows us that that is going to make the sound. So that's all we need to do with that.
Okay.
So Do you see anything else?
No.
Very good.
That's it?
That's it. That's all we have to do for those words. So I will have a new picture card for IR to show you when you come back to the table. And here in just a minute, we're going to turn on the lights and practice coding some words together.